So we are now in the engine room of the vessel. So Rob, could you please tell us about the biggest technical challenges in converting the engine room, actually with also the old machinery and the new installations?
Yeah, it's actually the engine room is empty. We took out everything. Two big Bergen diesels were placed here, 2 times 2,500 kilowatts, with very long shafts to the back. And then they were connected to trusses, azimuth trusses. Because of the long extension of these shafts, you had a lot of vibrations. And when the vessel came here, one of the trusses was not working, was leaking, so it had to be renewed. And there were certain requirements from the owner, like stabilisation, what I said to you with the Voith Schneider. That's why we choose to change the system. In the end, it was almost cheaper to get new engines and a new propulsion system than to say overhaul the existing system, because you do a major conversion, so you have to comply to the latest rules and regulations. And to get these old Bergen diesels, let's say, upgraded to the latest emission standards, yeah, it's possible, but it's costly. And then the engines would have still been 25 years old. For the rest, these engines were 2 times 2,500 kilowatts. That power is not needed for the repurpose of the vessel as a yacht. Actually, the totally installed power at the moment will be quite similar, 2,500 kilowatts. So 5 engines, 2,500 kilowatts, or 2 engines in the old layout where it was 2,500 and 2,500 kilowatts. So economically, it's a lot better how it is now. For the rest, it's also future-proofed because it will be a diesel-electric system with direct current. And in the end, in direct current, if you, in the future, in 5 years' time or whatever, want to change to fuel cells, what nowadays is quite, that will be possible. Of course, yeah, you can take some engines out and whatever, but the flexibility is much more, and you have a future-proof vessel.